Welcome back to our channel. I'm Colleen and this is Our Blessed Life, and today is part 1 of my spring cleaning series, and today we are going to be tackling the kitchen. So I'm going to be doing a spring cleaning video for my kitchen, our bathrooms, our bedrooms, our living areas, and then also our outdoor porches. So I hope you'll join me in this. They'll be going up over the next 3 weeks, 1 or 2 videos a week. So we're starting today with the kitchen. So here's my to-do list for today for my kitchen cleaning, and I'm going to be starting with cleaning my cabinets. So I'm starting by just washing down all of my cabinets inside and out and just decluttering as I go. So as I come to things that I feel like I'm not using or don't need anymore, I go ahead and remove those.
I just wish I had a little more time with you, baby. Weeks and months and years they pass, and I knew it wouldn't last. When tears streamed down my face, my mama said, all the nights that end in heartbreak gonna pay off someday. And the pain that you're feeling gradually fades away. 'Cause growing up, falling in love, giving your all might not be enough. Just trust your head and your heart, that's what my mama said. I wish I could freeze this moment, just never let it end. Walking through the snow when you're taking my hand. All of those late nights on your couch when we just talked until midnight. I just wish I could freeze this moment, babe. Weeks and months and years they pass, and I knew it wouldn't last. When tears streamed down my face, my mama said, all the nights that end in heartbreak gonna pay off someday. And the pain that you're feeling gradually fades away. 'Cause growing up, falling in love, giving your all might not be enough. Just trust your head and your heart, that's what my mama said. Weeks and months and years they passed, but then I found something I knew would last. Just like my mama said. Gradually fades away.
So now I'm just going through some of our manuals just to get rid of the ones that we don't need anymore.
Give me a reason to get out of bed.
So now as I move down to my lower cabinets, I'm going to go ahead and just use some Clorox wipes and disinfect my trash cans, get them clean before I put those back up. And then after that, I'm also going to clean my Keurig. So I'm going to do that using some of the descaling solution that I got at Target. But once I started using that, I realized it just wasn't working that well. So I ended up taking the whole thing apart to clean it well.
It's gonna be okay, no matter come what may. I'm gonna set things straight tomorrow. I let my worries fade, let them sweep away. There'll be enough.
So when you use the descaling solution, you basically pour the entire bottle of solution into the water holder, and then you also mix some water in that. You just basically pour the whole bottle in and then fill the rest of the water holding reservoir with water. And then you run cups of water through until that reservoir is empty. And then after that, you continue to run water until you've done it about 12 times with clean water. And so that's what I was doing here, but I still felt like it wasn't getting that clean. So I went ahead and I took this out because it is still just really, really dirty in there. So I'm gonna wash these in the dishwasher. Wipe out the inside and wash everything else in the dishwasher. Another piece comes out. So if you don't take it apart, you're not really getting it clean.
Tomorrow I will set things straight. Tomorrow's gonna be okay. Let all my troubles go away. Tomorrow it's gonna be okay. No matter come what may, I'm gonna set things straight. Tomorrow let all our worries fade. Let them sweep away. There'll be another day. Tomorrow it's gonna be okay. No matter come what may, I'm gonna set things straight. Tomorrow let all our worries fade. Let them sweep away. There'll be another day. Tomorrow, oh oh oh, oh oh oh, oh oh oh. Tomorrow, oh oh oh, oh oh oh, oh oh oh. Tomorrow. The water's rising, the dam is breaking in. It was bound to happen, 'cause your heart is caving in. So why you bother? This is nothing you can run from. Hope you make it, 'cause I can't change it anyway. For soon it's all over, and you've been running again. Before you know it, it's all over. So enjoy your heartbreak, enjoy your heartbreak, my friend.
Now I'm almost finished with the cabinets as I'm making my way around the island.
The rules we keep breaking, and the moment we're off it, we try so hard to stop it. I hope we make it, 'cause we can't change it anyway. For soon it's all over, and you've been running again. Before you know it, it's all over. So enjoy your heartbreak, enjoy your heartbreak, my friend.
Now I'm moving on to my appliances. I'm starting with the microwave, just going to clean that on the inside and outside. And I am still using my thieves cleaner, and I'm using that instead of a stainless steel cleaner here.
For soon it's all over, and you've been running again. Before you know it, it's all over.
so I keep heavy duty aluminum foil on the bottom of my oven just to keep it clean, and normally at this point I would change that, but it's actually really clean. So I'm not gonna do that, but I am gonna wipe the oven out. I would also do a self-clean if it needed it, but this one it really doesn't need to be self-clean, so I'm just gonna wipe it out really good.
You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless.
So now I'm just gonna clean and straighten my pantry, and just if anything's out of order, just put that back together. Honestly, this pantry has been working really well for us. It really stays organized, even with my family going in there for food. So I'm really happy with what we did to our pantry. We reorganized it and put new shelves in maybe 6 weeks ago or so, and it's holding up really well. Now I'm doing the same thing with the fridge. The fridge was also in pretty good shape. It needed to be straightened a little bit, but it was really clean because it's brand new. Our other fridge went out recently and we had to replace this one probably not more than a month ago. So it's also in really good shape, and I'm wiping it down, but I'm mostly just kind of rearranging it.
Where did it begin? Where did it end? Hanging on those strings, unable to bend. I never listened, trying to prove it, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime momos. We were in too deep.
Gary is such a mess. I never know what he's going to do in these videos, and he just does that, and then I see during the editing what he has done to my footage. So now I am moving on to cleaning windows and just dusting the shutters and baseboards. I'm pretty much wrapping the kitchen up now. And Sophie decided that she wanted to help me, so she came in and she's using the little duster.
Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, cause I'm thinking we'll be young forever. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young. I know that I haven't been who I was. I am supposed to be the one you can trust. I feel so useless cause I let you down. I hope there's some way I can make it alright, cause I know that you deserve much more than this. If you give me one.
So now I have my checklist done, and I'm using our new steam mop to mop our floors. I'm really loving it. And because I was trying to just reduce the total amount of chemicals I'm using in my home, and this way I can sanitize the floors with steam and not have to use any chemicals at all. So we're using the Pocket Steam Mop by Shark, and it's got this flip head where you can use each side, and we just flipped it over, and we've done very little of our floor, and it's like super dirty. There we go, it's picking it up better now. It's crazy to me because we mop all the time with Lysol. Friends, we'd love to pray for you. If we can pray for you, let us know in the comments below or on Instagram at ourblessed.life.
That you're not good enough, but you're I'd take you places that you've never been. I would give you the world if you let me try again. Yeah, just give me one more.
Okay, so these are the things that I pulled out of the kitchen that we're going to be donating. So it's mostly just extra things, like things that we have multiples of, and things that just don't work that great, and things that have missing pieces. So this is what we'll be donating. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.